Hello, everyone. My name is Trent Sorbe. I'm the president at Central Payments, which is the payments subsidiary of Central Bank of Kansas City. Pleasure to have CBKC and Central Payments recognized on Travillian's Tech Forward Bank Index. We take a great deal of pride in the way in which we approach payments. The bank really started in the 1950s, and it's been a family-owned community bank since that time. Actually, one of the few CDFIs in the country that are also banks. Bank looked at payments as a way in which they could grow deposits and still stay true to that CDFI mission. And so in 2014, we formed Central Payments as a way to broaden the reach of affordable quality financial products for consumers of modest means. And payments really has allowed us to not just support the growth of the bank and stay true to the mission, but really has allowed us to take a technology forward approach to everything we do. So we like to refer to concepts like technology, charter, and choice as we describe our open API platform, which we call OpenCP. OpenCP is a fintech API marketplace that companies come into us and have access to the whole payments ecosystem. So everything from card manufacturing, customer service, ID verification, transaction processing, and everything else, we become the hub or the gateway to that service. That's really been attractive to really two verticals. One, very established companies that are looking for sort of a one-stop shop to embed financial services into what probably may be a different core product offering. So they need a financial product. They don't want to be a financial services company, and they certainly don't want to put all the pieces and the parts together that are necessary to support the product. So they look at us and our open API platform as a way to seamlessly and conveniently and quickly bring a product to market. The other vertical that OpenCP has really resonated with is the fintech vertical, companies that build, amazing user experiences and application layers on top of the whole payments ecosystem. And so OpenCP is attractive for them, again, a bit as a one-stop shop, but for slightly different reasons. They want to stay focused on customer acquisition and user experience, and really support the growth of their product. And they really want to look to us to support all the things around, really the infrastructure of payments plus compliance and risk management. And so, our tool, our OpenCP tool, allows both those types of companies to come and bring payments products to life very seamlessly and conveniently. And we recognize that that's really a change from the role banks have traditionally served in this payment space. When we started Central Payments, we quickly realized that in order to take advantage of the second mover advantage, we had to be technology forward. And so rather than traditional terms like sponsor bank or BIN sponsor, we want companies to think about us for a lot more than FDIC insurance and membership in Visa, MasterCard, and Discover. We want them to think about us when it comes to product innovation and compliance and access. And so our relationships are traditionally very, very embedded. And we've got a lot of examples that companies that really embed us and, where we really serve as a hub and not simply a spoke in the payments products. That creates long-standing relationships. It's good for the bank. And again, goes back to that core mission of serving people of modest means, folks that traditionally haven't enjoyed access to, great consumer financial products. We think this is a way to extend the reach of Central Bank and its CDFI mission, but do it in, cutting edge fintech and the payment space. So again, thank you so much for recognizing Central Bank of Kansas City and Central Payments. Thanks to Travillian. And, if you ever want to visit us online, check out our socials, Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, of course, LinkedIn, website, central-payments.com. And we did just drop the first two episodes of our first podcast. So if you go on to Apple or Spotify or YouTube and simply search FinTech Brews, BREWS. You'll find at this point our first 2 episodes, but many more to come. So thanks again, and look forward to chatting with anybody that would like to learn more.